Okay, let's try this again. I know you didn't get to see it, but this is about the 20th time I've tried to get this to work for you. Got the phone in focus, I hope now. Alright, we'll start out. I will launch Gmail, which you should know is a full screen app. It is not windowed. It is not a widget. Now I will press the home button. Then we get an HTC logo, followed by a loading screen. Okay, done loading. Open up our apps, and you saw they are refreshing themselves as if they're not cached. Okay, I think we're missing one still. Let's say we go into Astro. This is also, as you know, a full screen app. It is not windowed. And then we go back home. And we get the loading screen again. I go to menu and settings, then home. We get HTC logo. That's for a rather long time, and a loading screen again. Still trying to load my home page. There's the home page, icons are up. Bring up the apps, and they were refreshing again. Let's go back to the home screen. Come over a couple of screens here. Oh, that'll work. Go into System Panel. Open up Monitor. Go to History. Okay. And hit the home button. HTC logo flashed up briefly. We went to Loading. And pop open our launcher. And it is reloading and caching all of the app icons again. Okay, back to here. Let's do something a little different. I'm going to go ahead and power off the phone. And it's of course warning me that this will shut it off. Okay, you'll see the LED turned off, and now it's back on. That's how you know the phone actually powered off. Anytime you power off and power on, the charging light will go off and then back on. So I didn't hold the button in long enough. Now, is it going to turn back on? There we go. The LED light went out. Phone turned on. You'll see the LED light went out again. And the charging light's back on. Okay, it's starting to load the wallpaper. We unlock, we get the loading screen again as it brings up the icons on the home screen. Now we've got the USBs connected to the computer, so you've got once again a full screen display. It's not windowed. I will select the done button, and once again it goes back to the HTC logo, and eventually it'll start recaching the home screen icons again. If we open up the apps launcher, You'll see it cycle through as it recaches the icons again. There we go. And one more time, since we just restarted. We'll go back into an application. Again, full screen, not windowed. Press the home button again. Still booting, so you have to give it a while, but then there's a loading screen. And we can go back in applications again and watch it recache the icons. So there's the problems that I'm having.